e-cigarette filling machine. Bottles elevator, code 300-400 PCS bottles. Bottle unscrambler, sort and feed bottles automatically, more than 99% accuracy. SUS316L filling parts, no bottle no filling, keep machine clean. Caps feeding vibrator, sort and feed caps automatically. Mechanical arm stud cap on bottle, more stable, high accuracy. Upgrade capping, fit for all kinds of e-liquid cap, VR, V3 or others. Separated bottles automatically, prevent bottle blocking. 3 rows fixed position, high accuracy for half label and full wrap around label,